Welcome back to Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Today I'm going to talk about the case involving the members of the JCF that were arrested and charged for the triple murders. Big triple murder going. Police kill 3 youth and we hear say charges drop on them. Video come out. Situation looks spooky right now for the squad of them. Never talk about it. And tomorrow, never talk about the next squad when I see that called out, him colleague them, and then basically railroad him career. Something will happen very common, or something will happen all too often in Iron Man. Not just in JCF, by the way. Right, it's an Iron Man thing. We tell us in the Iron Man culture. Right. Them tell us if we do the right thing, sometimes you end up getting wrong consequences. When we're going to our Patreon birthday shout out, this one goes out to Susie Q, and it's coming from your hubby, Mr. Wow, to the Susie Q birthday. It's a special message. Special message from Mr. Wow. I'm a little YouTuber, and this is a direct quote now. She's my rock, my superwoman, letting her know she's the best mother, grandma, right? Him and the children them could have ever hoped for. Right? Yeah, and babes forever. End quote. And him says, say, no Susie Q and me, I tell you what Mr. Wow say. I tell you what your hubby say. And he want the whole world hear that. That's why I'm linked to look at YouTuber. So Susie Q, big up yourself. Enjoy yourself. I know say Mr. Wow, I look out for you. Right. Make sure you have a great day. And Mr. Wow, check out the Patreon inbox. Send her back a message. Big up yourself. Let me get back to the video. Talk about the squad of them. By now I've seen the videos. 3 youth dead. The youth never them kill. Even people who try and pretend like, I just some youth, says I know some youth. When I link them one way them till they say, yeah, free, they say, I one day, yeah man, I let them board and then you just didn't know. But after seeing the videos, reading the stories, you would have probably come to your own conclusion already. So, why am I making this video? Well, I'm going to tell you now, the biggest mistake they make. The biggest mistake those police officers made when them kill them 3 youth there. You might be wondering, what, make you get catch on video? What, the fuck to them? Them never, them shoot them on them put gun over your son. What you mean, look at YouTuber? What the biggest mistake? You see, since it happened, I've been observing many of the rhetoric surrounding the incident. And now I realize what the biggest mistake them squad did make. When you listen to Iron Man speak, you realize the biggest mistake they make. You ready for it? They're not on the throne. Yes, you heard me. The biggest mistake them police they make is them not on the throne. Not even 1 3 hit song. Not even 1 3. It's extraordinary watching the same usernames say complete different things when a somebody went on a throne. People are saying, I don't care if they're 87s. I don't care if them kill 1,000 people. What should happen is this, and everybody deserves this, and everybody have the right to this, and everybody this, and everybody that. Hosted, cold fat. I don't care what them do. I don't care. So what they did this. So what they did. That's what them are saying now. So that show me so the real mistake they make is them not on a tune. When them police officers they sing at themselves, the biggest thing they need to keep themselves over is the fact that them not on a tune, because they might have tune Jamaican people be singing a different song. And you want me to tell you how I know that? Because the same usernames, the same people them in a real life where you talk to, tell you say, Lizard did quote unquote mix up, so him deserve to dead. So if him dead and nothing, Cause in the quote unquote mix up, it has to be studied. You see the difference between Lizard and them 3 youth there is that Lizard was killed by somebody we have tune. Therefore, causing quote unquote mix up, even though he mix up with the man we kill him. The man them will kill him and first literally him done them. But it no matter. The man they have tune. So Lizard the quote unquote mix up. So him deserve to dead. Nothing to come out of it. Free such man. Free such man because the somebody we him kill was mix up. Even though the people they want to kill was bad man, wicked man, not take man fit high, Glockenheim and Mark kill and destroy. It has to be studied. Only think on who that get with Irish Saxons. Spot it. Just sit back and watch them and make a fool of themselves. It doesn't matter what they did. It doesn't matter. He's still somebody's child. Well, I guess Lizard was nobody's child. I guess Lizard had no friends. You've already heard this talk about 100 different places. May I give you from a PIA angle now. Now just repeat everybody say. Of course, it's obvious. Legally, what the police officers did, right, was unjustified. Legally. The law said this and the law said that. It's just like when time termite them get Lego. I'm tell you, sir, 87 are gang members, but the law said them free, The law bigger than me. That's what's happening here. The law say when police will certain man do certain things, even if them are this and that, them still must go in and get them there before. That's what the law says, so the law bigger than me. But I'm not going to sit here and act like I'm shedding no tears over no 87. Yes, legally that's not the right thing to do. Legally they're supposed to go through process. Legally. But the first question I ask, were they 87s or were there some innocent youths, right, who get profile card them that walk one certain way and talk one certain way? Guy, sort out the justice system because enough people that get tired of the same man them go over and over and over on the road. And someone make up their mind saying next time I catch that boy that road, he now go home again. And legally, that not go work. Legally, that you say they go to prison. Right now, them squatted in a sticky situation. Enough police officers take the law in their own hands. People will tell you, say, well, police officers are supposed to uphold the law. That's true. That's correct. But some people live in a Winnipeg world. Over the years, enough police officers get themselves in a problem or take things in their own hand. I remember Eldon Calvert back in the day. Eldon Calvert, them couldn't get him for nothing. No care what him do, them couldn't get him for nothing. And some police officers take the law in their own hand. Backfire upon them, run them off the runway. Some people sit down and watch gunmen get away with atrocities day after day after day and say no mass. No mass. Anyway, I bought them again, watch how go on, but go play out in front of people camera. Footage get sent in and all kind of things. But the Jamaican people don't care about murder. They don't. Jamaican people don't care about you being a murderer. They don't. All this, yeah, but it's murder talk. When since no problem with murderers? They have problem with murderers who don't have no tune. Just couple months ago, speaky, spokey, educated, right, God-loving, church-going, right, Rasta consciousness-ing Jamaican was saying that because Lizard, quote-unquote, mix up, then Anna nothing if him dead. Because Anna like say, them get rid of somebody who was, it's not like to them get rid of somebody who was, good somebody in a society. They did society a favor. That people are say. You heard it. Them say Lizard wasn't nobody good. So what if he dead? Free such man. No, them I say, no matter how terrible the 87 them were, right, lock up squaddy, they're still human beings and they're still entitled to this and that and they have rights and somebody still care about them. Well, I guess Lizard had no right and I guess nobody care about him. it is extraordinary how them pick and choose when them morality kick in. So now I realize what activate the Irish Saxons' morals, and the answer is how much tune you have. How much tune you have. That's where Squaddy them really messed up. Him not even go voice 1 2 tune. Him not even go in the studio go voice 1 tune. Not even 1 dub plate. And you want to commit acts of murder? Who do you think you are? That's not how we do it. As real God-fearing Iranians, we demand that you have multiple hit songs first before you go and kill people unlawfully. Then we will ball out free you. But because you're not on a tune, it's not free you. It's give you life in prison. Who do you think you are? Remember them say if a man even get accused of being a rebel, him not even go court. Jungle Justice, get rid of him fast. Fast. Light him up. That them say. Then they say, so want to Jackie or them say, yo, I want to your man, you did it? You did it? You go like you did it. Free Jackie or. You never did it. Them all start turn spiritual. Well, you know I don't want to judge anybody because I... So now I realize it all come down to how much tune you have. Understand this. 87s have the right to this and the right to that. And those rights must be respected according to the law. But the 87 don't respect your rights. And he doesn't have to respect nothing about you. He can rob, rape and kill as him please. And if somebody catch him and report him, if nobody goes to court, he will be released to carry on again and again and again and again. And even when the witness go court, case can still get dashed out. So, no wonder every youth want to turn killy because it's a superpower. Because a criminal don't have to respect any of your rights, but all of his has to be respected. Must be nice. He can just see your car and go, that's a nice car. Let me just take it. He doesn't care about your right to your property and all them sitting there. Don't listen about that. But if you walk him up down the road, you have to respect his. That them say. Remember when time lawyer guy jump out in the papers and tell man about the law states that even if somebody invade your home, force himself and all your daughter here come catch him. After him cut your son throat, once he's no longer a threat, you can't hurt him. Where is the donkey when you need him? If you make lawyer man tell you say you can go in my place, go hurt even a strand of hair from my old sickly mangy dog. Where any minute now can drop out. Just one strand of hair. But because you're no longer a threat, me and you go down at the station and we are going to go through court for the next 2 years. You have got to be out of your mother's sex in mind. As the small island man them that say, boy, you stupid boy. Stupid boy. Your mother's cunt boy. No longer threat, invade, where and no longer what. Guy, I'm telling you, you're going on a t-shirt. Make lawyer man gassing up. No found a claim, so well, I know my rights. And my right says, even if I invade your home, alright, just don't slash your son's throat, just don't force myself on your daughter, and now me I start with your wife. So, look at me, I'm over here now, I'm no longer a threat, so let's go down to the station. No, let's go down a Dove cut. You gonna get a 1 day, right, then a 3 day. You gonna get, one time them leg of the balloon them na the ear. You gonna get light, whole heap of candle for you. You gonna get one 7 day. You're going to get one 9 night, you're going to get one set up on one funeral. See, for years, criminals in Jamaica think them can just do what them feel like, cause man tell them about, oh, even if you get caught doing this, you still have certain rights to be respected. Tell the police that, make me catch you a violate nobody in my house. Or make me catch you a violate my neighbor. And then we will put those rights to the test. Yankee them ever saying, rather be judged by 12 than carried by 6. I'm sick and tired of these 87s. The family go and blow a balloon till then throat bust. Go and blow a balloon and release balloon at the sky till then tired. Then put up so much balloon all plane start crash because the plane then can't even see them and go. Then want a balloon then go and put up for you. This is one of the things that we rate about certain part of Uncle Sam Place. Nothing about Uncle Sam Place a comedy, you know. Poppy show thing. But one thing I rate with certain part of Uncle Sam Place. The moment you invade a man home and put him family and him neighbor at risk, anything after that is fair game. But Jamaica is a place that a man can literally run up and play. Roar! And if the tables turn upon him and him get where he don't get, you can still go to court. You can still catch a case. So check this. The guy who is doing the invading, free to do what he want to do. Because he don't operate upon law and rules. But you must be careful how you respond to his invasion. Guy, you better get your balloon them ready. Get your balloon them ready. A man run up in my place. And my family. And me dead it. And live. And make man live too. If you go see Brian Sykes' face, I hope my seed bag them just drop off on me right away. Just drop a gun. Bluff. No more use for these. So this case just remind me about the Ironmanians way of looking at life. Whether or not the person who dead must get any quote-unquote justice, depending upon if the killer have tune. So in Lizard case, cause him mix up in a badness, him for us dead. No justice, free the man and kill him. Because Smaddy was at 87, because Smaddy will mix up in a badness, is not entitled to any justice. But if the people who do the killing don't have any tune, then it doesn't matter if he's at 87. It don't matter if he's a mass murderer. It don't matter if he's Genghis Khan. His rights must still be respected. He deserves justice like anybody else. So that is what we must take away from this. The policeman them now on a tune. So guess what? Sending garbage. That's their real crime in the eyes of the Jamaican public. As a real Ironmanian, as a real God-fearing, church-going, Rasta consciousness is Ironmanian, I only have a problem with murderers who don't have any hit songs. As a real Ironmanian. As a real citizen of Jamaica. Real. That's the thing there. Look out for the next video about squad tomorrow. H1 squad, big up on yourself. Yeah. Don't know more life. Vulture squad. See you circle. Bless.